Hello chefs, welcome back to Closkitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make some oven roasted potatoes with bell peppers and onions. So let's see what the ingredients are for the simple potato recipe. I have 3 pre-washed potatoes that I'm going to slice right down in the middle, then cut it into medium pieces. The last potato had a spot on it, so I had to remove and cut out that piece. Now that I'm done cutting my potatoes, I'm going to start seasoning with some rosemary, then I'm going to cover my potatoes with some dry basil leaves, and I'm going to do the same with some paprika. Now I'm going to lightly sprinkle some garlic salt to taste, as well as some onion powder. I'm adding a small amount of seasoned salt to taste. Now I'm going to grab each side of my bowl and use a flipping motion to mix all the ingredients together. Next I'm adding some chopped bell peppers and onion. I'm going to use the same technique to mix the bell peppers with the potatoes. For the last ingredient, I'm using 1 tablespoon of olive oil to cover the potatoes. I use the same technique to make sure that the oil is spread on all the potatoes. I have also used a spatula to get some of the bell peppers that were sitting at the bottom of the bowl. Now it's time to preheat my oven on 375. The next step is to add the seasoned potatoes into a large baking dish. I'm going to roast my potatoes for 1 hour. Then I'm going to use my spatula to move them around occasionally. I'm also going to add 2 tablespoons of water to prevent them from sticking to the bottom of my dish. So I served my roasted potatoes with some baked tilapia. Yummers! Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. And as always, keep cooking, chefs. Bye!